It is time for me to wash my hair. This is actually 5th day old hair. I have a shoot tomorrow, so they booked me for my longer hair. So that's precisely what I'll be doing. So basically, I'm gonna walk you through my wash day routine with my new hair. We're gonna be doing a deep condition. I'm trying a new deep conditioner today. It is the one by Camille Rose, which I'll show you guys. All right, so this is where we are starting. I'm gonna cut the shower on because gots to get the hair soaking wet. And I'm also pretty sure, I'm very much too sure that the water is way too hot for my hair. We're gonna work on that. We are gonna work on that. All right, so I'm just essentially soaking my hair with a ton of water, making sure that everything is saturated. I'm going in with the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado shampoo. This shampoo is actually really good. I've been using it for a while. I really like the, Avocado and Almond line. It's really good. My favorite thing from the line is actually their foam. But I really like this shampoo because it lathers up really good, but it doesn't dry your scalp out. And for me, as of lately, I just feel like my scalp, specifically in the center, like the crown of my head, has been so dry. And I didn't really know what to do about it. And I feel like a lot of shampoos are super harsh. And this one is really good. Like, my scalp feels super moisturized, and it also feels super clean once I finish shampooing. So I'm just gonna rinse this out and make sure I get all the soap out, or the shampoo. All right, so I'm going to go in with this Camille Rose Algae Renew conditioner. To be honest, this deep conditioner was good. However, nothing has beaten the Briogeo deep conditioner. I'm just saying, like, I need to go re-up on that, but I wanted to try this one. This one's really good. I do feel like this one probably would have been a little bit more effective if I did it with a heating cap on and left it in for a good like hour. I feel like it would have really saturated my strands, but I do feel like the Briogeo is the best one so far because it's good in the shower, but it's also really good outside of the shower, like with the heating cap. But now I'm just gonna rinse that out. I essentially washed up, shaved, all that stuff, and left it in my hair for about 10 minutes. And I also feel like because I'm in the shower, the steam from the shower should have helped penetrate my hair strands with the deep conditioner. So anywho, rinsing all this out and making sure that my scalp is nice and squeaky clean with no residue. All right, so this is what my hair looks like with no product. Like I said, this is no product. I don't know what that is. So I'm actually going to be doing I'm gonna be doing twists in the back because I have to wear a wig tomorrow. So there's really nothing to see here. But when I actually do style my hair out, I'll make a video about that as well. I do want to try a twist out because I feel like this is a cute situation right here. So I'm gonna try that next time, but yeah.